Oh, it might be too big. Oh, that's too tall. Never mind. Too tall. So here we can see where a locking diff comes in handy. So we'll go ahead and lock the diff. And we'll climb straight up it. Alright, we got the Trxx4 G500 going on our first drive. Pretty exciting. This is also my first time using my TQI transmitter phone mount.
Whoa, I just realized this.
It's a fire.
Yeah.
Where should we go? We are diffs unlocked and in low gear currently. This isn't any type of challenge for this truck at all, but it's my first time taking it out, so I'm not looking for anything crazy today. Both of our slashes are down right now for some fix from having a little fun. We'll have videos coming soon, but I'd like to keep one vehicle working well. Alright, we're gonna try this again. 'Cause I didn't take the line I wanted to take.
I hate the beat.
Trying to avoid dropping.
I can't tell if it's rubbing in this one.
Let's get around the other side here. We were just noticing how abnormally smooth this rock was.
Ooh, the muffler though, the exhaust.
Yeah, it does unbolt.
Wait, I don't even think it was hitting the exhaust that time.
No, it wasn't hitting there yet. I'm not sure where I was catching it. Don't tip on me, buddy. A nice little flex there.
It's not even touching the ground then. No!
Ooh.
Ooh.
Well, you know what? It was bound to happen. I always said if I had a G-Wagon, I'd take it off-roading. This is a poor man's G-Wagon right here, and we're taking it off-roading. All right, now we got Courtney.
Hey.
She's gonna take her first spin at the Trxx4. I don't think she's happy to be on video right now. She's having a kind of crappy headache day. It's Monday, what can you expect? And it's been dreary all day.
Were you a main ticket?
So I just took it right up around the river. I mean, go through whatever.
Oh Lord.
There's nothing too deep or crazy over here. So. Just get a feel for it. I'm curious how you like this versus the SCX24s.
just hit some glass.
You go over that log.
You
can do it.
Alright. Just gonna back
and
up.
if you
then.
do it, you should climb over and stand on that rock and record it.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Did you put it in front?
Huh?
No.
Well, I'm gonna stand on the log first.
No,
Well, I'm gonna stand on the rock.
I meant you stand on the rock in the truck, and then you record the truck going over the log.
Okay, well,
Just
we
so you
gotta
can
get
see.
over there first. So let me.
Get him out of your way.
Yeah. We're just gonna take a break right there, real quick. if I fall in here, I swear. Whew. The goal here is to not get my feet wet, but we're safe. Okay. Oh, wait. What?
I just, yeah, it's moving. There you go. Good shit.
Hey.
How's it feel compared to the STX24?
Well, I really like how it drives. Is that the little ones? Okay. Cut that out, though. I like how it drives. I really wasn't a fan of the size. And then I really wasn't a fan that they, like, you had to be super strict on where you took them, basically. Because most things were way too big to go over.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Alright, we're gonna start with no lockers. Let's see which line we should take here. Nope, we're gonna rub. Alright, so now we need a locker. Because that's not gonna work.
I love that blue.
So now we're going with the locker. Yeah. I know I saw a lot of people complain about the exhaust.
That's what I was about to say. That's so cool, actually. But I know.
It's cool,
hanging
but
down.
yeah, it hangs down. Okay.
Is that with your gift box?
It is. Unfortunately.
I'm gonna rub.
Oops.
Do you want me to record?
I was looking at the camera. It's okay. I'm trying to get used to using this because it's super helpful. Try and get out of the sun. The ground's so soft. Alright. It wasn't the way I wanted to make it up, but I made it up. This is where we tried to make it up and we couldn't. Ooh. My girlfriend up there, she's cold and wants some ice cream, so we're taking off. I don't blame her though, it is pretty chilly here. Typical Ohio. It's been in the 60s and then we just dropped to the 40s as soon as I get some new toys.